YouTube, what's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Joe, and I'm back with the POV drives. Man, Roxy a little dirty right now. I'm gonna get her clean before the weekend, but this weekend we outside. Y'all, let's see. Stay tuned for the videos. But yeah, that's enough talking, man. Just give y'all a quick second, let y'all see the whip. But now it's time to go slide that bit. Oh Lord. Bro, it's been a minute since I did one of these POV drives. Yeah, oh yeah. No seat. If you don't know, it's cause my airbag came out when I was racing. Yeah, I hit the curb. Go watch the video. Nah, don't be doing all that talking, shawty. None of that. Damn, I missed my turn. Oh, that's hard. It show up in my screen. Oh, that's super tough. Super tough. Hey man, school is about to be out for y'all. How y'all feeling? Y'all ready for the summer? Y'all about to tee up this summer? I know I'm finna tee up this summer. This summer, straight bangers. Straight bangers. What y'all finna do this summer? What y'all about to get into? Who coming to Disney? Who going to Six Flags? What the move is? Who going to the beach? Y'all let me know. Put it down in the comments. Nah, what's she doing? Y'all think that bit faster than me? She just wanted to flex. She just wanted to show that her trunk open like that. Cause there was no need for that. But yeah, like I was saying, man, leave what y'all doing this summer down in the comments. If y'all just hanging with y'all boys or hanging with y'all girls, that's cool too. Just trying to see what y'all got going on. Let me roll the window down. Damn, it's so hot outside. Damn. Bro, I'm trying not to. The wind is crazy. It be dumb loud now though. Now that I got it street pipe, but did that nigga honk his horn at me? But yeah. Like I was saying, that bit loud, bro. I like it. Once I get the headers on it, that bit gonna be dumb loud, but this cool. I don't think it's loud enough, but everybody else tell me it's too loud. My stepdad tell me it's too loud. Ooh, Nanny tell me it's too loud. She tell me why do I got this loud car, but to me, still quiet. Long ways to go. I'm not gonna be able to make it past that big ass truck. this traffic go crazy. Well, 4 o'clock traffic POV drive. Well, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Come on, guys. So many people on the road right now. I mean, I guess everybody getting off work, but it's Wednesday. Ain't y'all supposed to be getting off early? That's only high school. I'm tripping. Excuse me. Man, I got something in my eye. Damn. Whoa, that's hard. Whoa, this is my first time I ever used this, so excuse the excitement. That's dumb hard. It's so hot outside. Oh my goodness. 104 degrees. My hands over here steaming. The same way. I didn't have to put it in second. I just wanted to. That's what I'm talking about. Push that Elantra. Give it some gas. Too many cars. Oh, I wanted to twerk this bit down the highway, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We chilling. Maybe it's a sign. All right, man. There we go. Put some pep in that bit. Or don't. Damn, man. This is unbelievable. don't like this video, sorry, Nana. I just be driving that bit. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Oh, I mean, sorry, Nana. I just like having fun in my car. Forgive me. And forgive all the other bad words I potentially may have said beforehand. All them cars behind me like, dang, he did all that driving just to end up right here. Florida Highway Patrol. You've got to be kidding me. Somebody playing a prank on me. Damn, y'all heard that? Damn, Nissan. I'm gonna still get over there. It's never that serious to me. I ain't trying to crash and die. Bro, it's literally so many cars out right now. Well, I guess I could tell y'all what I'm finna go do. I'm already gonna get in trouble when I get there because I was supposed to be there 3 minutes ago. But I'm going to help my homie go change their tire. And then they're going to my tire shop from a discount. But I'm meeting them at their job because they needed Bryce's spare. Like I be telling y'all in all the other videos with this car stuff, it's always something. It's always something. Well. Is this not my exit? Okay. lot to do. Oh, okay, all right. Then what we gonna do? Oh, bust a love. Ain't making it all the way over there. But yeah, I guess. Oh, amen. But watch this like take forever. Whoa. All right. Well, I guess that'll pretty much conclude the video. Thank y'all for riding with me today on the Roxy Express Glide. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Damn, I can't even see my fingers. Hope they both in the camera.